My grandpa was not a man of many words. But whenever he was around, I knew I was in safe hands. My dad never pushed me to pick up a new skill. But seeing how passionate he was naturally got me interested. And I don't know how she did it, but my mom never lost her cool. Even when she was firm, she was kind. I didn't realize the impact they had on me until I grew up. Now I believe that mistakes are simply lessons to learn from. Because I was told it's better to try and fail than to not try at all. I find it important to have open conversations because I was encouraged to express my emotions. I understand how everyone learns differently because I didn't always excel at the same things my friends did. All these realizations made me see how our surroundings as a kid shape our world as an adult. I chose to study early childhood education to help create a safe space for children to discover and explore their potential, just like how my family did for me. What I like most about Taylor's is the experiential learning activities that give me the knowledge and confidence to nurture them. Every child deserves a good start.